Hi friends, I am Sajid and welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to do a charging test using the 30 watts VOOC charger which came with the Realme X2 device. So the original charger which came along with the Realme X is of 20 watts. So recently even I did a charging test using the Realme X2 Pro charger which is a 50 watts charging test in the Realme X device. So now I want to charge with a 30 watts charger, whether this will charge the Realme X a little bit faster or whether the Realme X supports the charger or not. So in this video we'll get to know clearly. So if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel guys, SciTech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of interesting videos and a lot of comparison reviews as well. And also do check the playlist of the Realme X and other smartphones in my channel. In the description you can find all the playlist as you can see here. So even for the recently launched mobile Realme X2 also I uploaded a lot of videos on that. So you can go through the links in description for the playlist of all other smartphones. So right now the Realme X device is completely dead, and here I got the chart ready here, charging test. So which I'll be doing in all my common charging test reviews. So I'll be recording for every 30 minutes how much battery it got charged. So let me connect the 30 watts charger right now. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. It takes a lot of time and effort to make all these kind of videos possible. So right now I connected the charger and let me start the stopwatch. So now the test has been begin right now. So again I'll be back exactly after 30 minutes of charging the Realme X device. So we'll get to know in the first 30 minutes how much the phone can actually charge using the 30 watts charger. You can see here friends, for the first 30 minutes of charging the Realme X device using the 30 watts charger which came with the Realme X2 device. So let's see the battery percentage it is right now. It's of 52% as you can see here clearly. So overall guys, for the first 30 minutes it charged to 52%, so which is not at all charging faster when compared with the normal 20 watts charger. But still I will continue the test we'll get to know how much time it actually checked actually. So as you can see here friends, it's been 1 hour charging the Realme X device using the 30 watts charger. So let's check the battery percent how much it is right now. As you can see 90% right now after charging for 1 hour. So again I'll be back once the phone gets fully charged in the Realme X device. So we'll get to know using the 30 watt charger from the Realme X2 device how much time it takes to charge the Realme X phone using the 30 watt charger. So overall guys, it took about 1 hour and 23 minutes to completely fully charge the Realme X device as you can see. So in this test clearly we know that the 30 watt charger doesn't support in the Realme X device. Only the default 20 watts will be supported in the Realme X phone no matter how high it is. So even the 50 watts or 30 watts doesn't support in the Realme X device. So it's waste of money to buying the fast charging adapters in the future. So for more videos, subscribe to my channel guys. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.